how schools becomes a better place to learn and grow. In our opinion, uniforms make students look neat and clean. They also help everyone feel like a part of one team. We believe that school uniforms help students focus more on studying. Clothes can be a big distraction, but uniforms solve the problem.
Uniforms help students feel equal. According to a study by the National Center for Education Statistics, schools with uniforms reported a 20% decrease in bullying. When everyone wears the same outfit, no one is judged for what they wear, which reduces teasing.
Uniforms also help students focus more on their studies. A report from Oxford Brookes University found that 75% of teachers believe uniforms make students concentrate better on class. This is because uniforms remove distractions caused by fashion or appearance. Another reason is that uniforms save money for families. On average, families spend less than money per year on uniforms, while they spend much more on casual clothes. This helps parents save money and avoid stress about buying trendy outfits for school. Finally, uniforms improve school safety. According to the National Association of School Safety, uniforms makes it easier to identify people who don't belong on campus. This helps students keep safe because strangers can blend in easily. In conclusion, school uniforms should be mandatory because they reduce bullying, help students focus, save money, and improve safety. Studies and facts shows that uniforms create a better, safer, more equal learning environment for all students. We believe schools uniforms make schools better, safer, and more focused on learning. Thank you for listening.